collaboration, opportunities, success. Welcome to Computer Integrated Manufacturing.
There's no other class really like it at the high school, where you can get so much hands-on experience and like a good mix of the virtual aspect, like design, as well as the in-person aspect, like using machines.
In this class, you'll learn how to design and model parts, and then use machines to bring your creations to life.
Students should know that this class isn't only for anybody interested in manufacturing or CNC machining. It's for anybody that wants to learn a new skill to help them in all different kinds of industries and throughout their career path.
I feel like I've built my confidence up a lot, seeing how far I've come and being comfortable, like pretty much using anything in here. It's been great.